Today we want to draw a beautiful lion for you. To draw the lion, we start from the nose of the lion. Now we have to draw the eyes of the lion. Now we have to draw the lion's eyebrows. We start to complete the drawing of the lion's head. Then we draw the lion's chin. Now we want to draw the lion's big ears. Let's go to draw the manes of the lion. To complete the drawing of the lion, now we have to draw the hands and feet of the lion. After completing the drawing, we start to paint. You can paint with pencil or gouache or watercolor or marker. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video.